Hi, boys and girls. It's time to start some more trick word practice. Remember, in this hat, I have all the trick words we learned in first grade. And so when I pull a card, I'll give you just a second to say it, and then I will tell you the word to double check yourself. Okay, ready? What does this say? Called. You know what? We haven't learned the word called yet, so it's okay if you don't know it. None. Write. Like I am going to write you a letter. Want. Being. People. Nothing. Says. Month. How. Work. Of. Into. To. Like the number 2. Each. We. Put. First, like you're in first grade. All right, we'll stop right here and we will do this again. Bye-bye.